All right, the second type of person is the overly cooperative person. Now in jiu-jitsu, he or she's the type of training partner who really just goes with the technique even if you're doing it wrong. Or sometimes you guys do this because you just don't want your partners to feel bad, even though their timing is wrong, the grips are wrong. You just go, "Oh, hey, cool, that's a good sweep. You got me." Now, they're also the ones who don't give realistic reactions and resistance. And they're also the ones who will praise you even if your techniques are wrong. So what is the so in real life, here's the analogy, okay, of the someone who's too cooperative. For some reason or another. It could be because they don't wanna make you feel bad. It's mostly that. They don't want to make you feel bad. So they just go along with what your what your beliefs are. But anyway, so let's say in the real world, let's say someone breaks up with you or a girl doesn't like you. Let's say you're a dude, a girl doesn't like you, and you ask your friends, and now your friends are like, "Oh man, it's her loss, man. You're the king, bro. You deserve better than her, bro." But in reality, you're really just this lazy slob who really is narcissistic and borderline psychopath. But no one wants to tell you that. It's either they're afraid of you, they don't want to lose your friendship. You should lose their friendship. But anyway, for some reason or another, they don't want to tell you the truth. Next, this is also pretty common when it comes to people who live unhealthy lifestyles. And some of you just go, "Oh, that's fine, man. YOLO, live your life, bro. Enjoy life. Okay, just enjoy life. Don't, man, you want to eat 7 Big Macs for lunch? Go ahead, man. No need to work out. No need to eat healthy. Okay, that's very superficial. Those people are. The next thing you know, you have diabetes, you have hypertension. Yeah. So thanks, brother. Now your friend is in this type of situation, has many medical. Why do you think a lot of the body positivity people are either dead or have a lot of illnesses already? Because it's these corporate cooperative people. They just don't want to hurt you. And this is also how entitled brats came to be. These kids or these young adults who didn't really hear the word no too much. Now, here's the danger. First, you become delusional to reality, what really happened. See, you can be all that body positivity, whatever, but you cannot deny the fact that unhealthy lifestyle will lead to, well, illnesses and early death. I don't make up the rules, man. You can have all these beliefs all you want, but the truth will always eventually hold you accountable. What also happens is you will have cognitive dissonance because in your mind you thought that was why, because you surrounded yourself with people like this. Oh, and that's also the problem. A lot of us want to surround ourselves with this type of person, the cooperative, the agreeable type of person, or in dating sense, the simps. Oh yeah, no, it's fine. Oh, you want to date 5 other dudes? Oh, that's fine if that makes you happy, as long as your heart is mine. Whatever, dude. Next, like I mentioned, these people become entitled, thinking that they deserve this. Why? Because they didn't really experience a lot of resistance with what they want. Okay, and ultimately, with these people around you, you will be destined for failure. Because instead of surrounding yourself with people who tell you what you need to hear and you just want to hear the good stuff, but again, in reality, if you don't develop skills, if you don't develop character and whatnot, you're just eventually gonna fail. So that is the second type of person you are surrounded with, whether in its jujitsu training or in your life. And again, you could be this type of person too. So what is the third one? The third one is